Alright, there is one add-on car that I have at least for my Lionel Chief Frosty the Snowman set, and that is this tank car. Let's get in with the review. It's got the Frosty Snowman, fastest belly whopper in the world, has external handrails, of course, and there is that magic in snow. You have Frosty and the girl there as well. And yeah, I've had this for the same amount of time as my set. Now, sometimes the reason why I don't have this around along my train is because it has black trucks, and in the set there's actually silver trucks. Well, anyways, let's see how this looks behind the set.
All aboard the North Pole Express!
Now for this car, I'm gonna have to give it an 8 out of 10, really, just because there's no black truck or white trucks. I mean, just look at that. I mean, it doesn't seem to match with the set sometimes. And there are more add-on pieces for this set, and there is an aquarium car. There is a box car, and this one's actually the most latest that they've made, 2017. An animated Chai-san gondola, which features Frosty and the Girl. A figure pack, which is Professor Hinkle, Rabbit, Santa, Frosty the Girl. A station, which I've been getting rumors that it makes sounds, and a boxcar. This has been an older one, I think. Well, yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you checked out my other videos of how I did the ballast, the first 2 corners of the layout, Christmas Light Express, and yeah, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.